Hey everybody, welcome. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today I want to show you some valve product. This is our valve assembly. If you're interested about this one, please follow me. Follow me. The package bag. This is a VCI anti-rust bags. On this part, there has a label on here, and with the logo, Shumatt logo. If you want print with your own logo, contact us. Logo, label, package bag, and so on. Yes, customize the services. Product code F00ZC01306. Application inject model number 045110110436 0451104441. The QR code. Inside part, we have two forms of our packages. This one, I will talk about this one, but we still have these forms of our package. The whole side. Also, we sell the separate parts. This one. Yes, you can look at it clearly about this one. This one is a little different with the others. Really have very high qualities about our product. And for our valve roll, we have different sizes. If you want the other sizes, you can contact us. Okay, that's all. Yes, about warranty, we have 6 months warranties. Yep. 3 tips to share with you. First tape, clean it with the oil. Second tape, make sure with the valve cap in the right place, right position. The third tape, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the details I want to share with you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Love you guys. Bye bye.